Okay, so guys, you're welcome again. It's a new week, and this week let's check out on the USD JPY and let's make analysis on the USD JPY and see what we have on the USD JPY thought process and how and what I'm seeing on the USD JPY. If we can get an entry and if we can spot any opportunity in the market. So this is all I'm here in this video to show to you. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so. Subscribe to my channel to help me to grow this account, so we can form a community of traders here, strong traders. So guys, let's go and check out what you have on the USD JPY. So guys, welcome to a new week. This is USD JPY. I'm on USD JPY right here. So this is my views on the USD JPY, and I'd love to drop it here also for you. So we'll start from the daily time frame on the USD JPY. Most of our trades, we are waiting for it to tap in on our area of interest, and most of them, like the GBP AUD, haven't tapped and is going to our direction. But since that's where we anticipate for the way to buy, we are not going to buy. So we'll be looking for more opportunity and we'll be searching for more opportunity and waiting for others to tap in our zone before we can get in on the trade. So here you can see this is the USD JPY on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what can we see here? So this is the daily time frame. This is what we can see on the daily time frame. We can see that on the daily time frame, from this zone here, we have been riding downward. So you can see after the break of this on the daily, we were bullish for some while. So we're bullish around here all through. So this bullish is a kind of like a counter trend. It's a counter trend because it's going, a counter trend means it's going against the main trend. The main trend here is a downtrend, so the counter trend is against the trend. So that's what it is. That's what I mean by counter trend. That is against the trend. So this that is going against the trend, we will not love to buy on this market, or we will love to wait for a clear break again before we can enter on the trade. So we can see that it has tapped in on this zone correctly. This is our area of interest. So this zone you can see, so I'm going to mark out these zones here, our area of interest. So you can see that these zones, they are my area of interest. So this one has played out, so we should delete this. These ones have played out, our area of interest on the daily. So I've deleted that one. So this is our area of interest now on the 4-hour time frame. This one you can see, this is our area of interest. So what are we looking up to right now? We are bearish right now on the daily time frame on the USD JPY. As you can see, this bearish. We are bearish on the USD JPY right here. So that is what I'm waiting for to enter the trade. I'm not yet in the trade. So we are bearish. All you have to do now is to look for your entry point on the USD JPY, because you are bearish on the trade here on USD JPY. So let's go on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, that's where I'll be looking for to my entry. So on the daily time frame, here, I'm going to mark out, since we have our area of interest already. So let me mark out the area of interest we should have seen here. So I'll call here 1. I'll call here the second point of touch. So I'll also add here as my third point, and you can see this zone also. So we have multiple retests on this zone, right? So this will be our area of interest. So I'm going to delete them now, so our chart can be clear again. Okay, so we are looking for an entry of sell, our entries to sell right now. So what we'll do here is go on the 4-hour time frame, so we can see from the 4-hour time frame also. So sorry, I want to mark out the break of structure on the daily. So before we can turn bearish, this is the break of structure on the daily, which you can see. So I might turn this black. So this is the break of structure on the daily time frame. So we are bearish now. Let's go, and that's what we have been waiting for we to turn bearish before we can enter the trade, because we can see. So I'm deleting this one. Okay, so this is what we are waiting for right now here on the 4-hour time frame. Also, we can see that we are bearish already on the 4-hour time frame. You can see after this break, we can use this break. After this break, you can see that we are bearish right here on the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. All I'm looking for right now is a retest back to that zone, the daily break and the 4-hour break in between that zone. So let's go back to the candle. Okay, so this is what I'm waiting for right now. I'm waiting for the market, the price of the USD JPY to tap back to this zone, anywhere close here, before we can sell from that zone. So this is what particularly I'm waiting for. So I'll be selling right back to this point here. So that's where I'll be selling to. I'll be selling right back to that point. But okay, but before I should sell, I want to see this happen, right? I want to see this happen. I've been waiting for this market for some time now, since the price have tapped in around here. If you followed our previous analysis, you should know what I'm talking about. So we wanted selling around here since then, around here. So since then, we are still waiting for we to see a kind of like a clear move. So I've been waiting since this zone. So also I'll be waiting for it to tap back to this zone before I can sell. And I'll use my fib retracement zone, also retracement level, to say also. So since we are going on a sell on the 4-hour, this is the 4-hour, I would love to drag from the top because you are going on a sell to the bottom here, and I'll mark out my fib retracement level 61 and the 50%. So this is the 61, close to the 4-hour breakout structure, and I'll draw to the 50, close to the daily TF breakout structure. So I'm going to delete it right now. I'll delete it. So we can see, so we're going to change the color of that particular one. We're going to sell from that zone, and I'll make the color okay. So that's our fib zone. So if we can see a candle wick or a rejection inside the zone there, then all we have to do, we have to sell. So you can, this is my thought process. This is now my thought process on the GBP, on the USD JPY. So this is all I'm looking forward to, and my stop loss will be just above the fib retracement zone. I'll not give it more space. If I should see a tap in there zone, then I'll be looking forward to this previous low. I'll be looking forward to this previous low. So that's 168 pips. We are risking, let me say 34 pips. We are risking 34 pips to gain 168 pips. So let's wait for this. Today is Monday and it's a new week, it's a fresh week. Let's wait for this. If we should see this, then we can get in on the sell. And if we don't see, the price might continue going down. We will just leave it because this is just what we want to see before we can get in on a sell. So guys, I hope this is helpful. This weekly views and weekly analysis I normally come to do is helpful to you. You can also check out on things that are important here and add to yours, add also to yours, and you can find any area here which you love to enter. If you love to enter from here, you can accumulate for the pip stop loss, that's fine. But since I cannot accumulate for the stop loss from here right now, I have to wait for it to retest back to this daily and this fib level and this 4-hour breakup structure. So this is what I'll be waiting for, then I can get a sell from the top. So guys, let's wait for maybe Tuesday and Wednesday and see what will happen. Thank you for staying, and this is all I would love to show you in this video. It's just a brief analysis because I've been coming to give you a review always on this USD JPY. I've been making a review on the USD JPY for you for some while now, so it's just a brief analysis here. So guys, thank you for staying. I love you guys. Peace.